We're at Vdara in a studio tower fountain suite on the 30th floor. As you immediately enter the room, you have a kitchen, little kitchenette where you have a sink, a microwave / convection oven, and also a stove. Now there's nothing in the cabinets in the way of utensils or pans or pots or dishes. You can order those or have some of those brought up. There's also a refrigerator. Actually, there's a mini bar on the left-hand side, but then on the right-hand side, you do have room to keep your own things. Also, when you walk in is a switch where you can electronically set the do not disturb or the housekeeping. Normally, the button is white. If you do the housekeeping do not disturb, it turns blue. If you do the housekeeping make up your room, it changes to green. And as you walk through the kitchen, you have your main area of the room where you have your bed, couch, and TV. As you walk in, you have a small table here with ice bucket, 2 chairs. You have the television. It's an okay sized television. It is pretty far from the bed, but I guess from the couch it's not too bad. Storage here in the drawers and the cabinets. You also have in here some more plugs and outlets, as well as connections for the TV if you want to connect your own device. Then you have the sitting area, couch. I do not know if this is a sofa bed or not. Yes, it is a sofa bed. And in the corner here, you do have a desk. You have your bed, which I believe is a king-size bed. You have your closet. In the closet, you have your safe. You also have your iron and ironing board. And you have this sliding door for the bathroom. Pretty good sized bathroom. You have a tub, pretty large and deep soaking tub. Single sink, but a lot of counter space. Toilet, and then a separate shower. FYI, they give you shower gel, but they do not give you bar soap. Also, the towels are regular size, they're not oversized, and they're pretty rough. So they have a tablet where you can get information, order room service. Doesn't look like you can control anything in the room though. You can't control the lights and the shades like you can at Aria. You control the curtains by using these buttons, the blackout or the shade. See the quality here, this is not that great in this room. This whole thing moves here. Do open, press that in. The blackout curtains will open. Shade. Press open. There's a lot of windows. A view of the mountains, Bellagio. You see part of the fountains. This is what the view looks like at night. You can see the fountain show from here, or most of it anyway.